Today we are looking at the 2026 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive in Glacier White. This SUV is powered by a 2.5-liter turbo engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats feature heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media controls, Super Cruise with an OnStar subscription, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers, your gear shifter, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find controls for your parking brake, drive mode, and more. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look at the heads-up display, as well as, in the center of the dash, your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation and Google Assistant. On the bottom of this screen, you'll find your climate controls, as well as your controls for heated and ventilated seats, and more. The center column features a wireless charging pad, USB charging, 2 cup holders, and your center console, which features plenty of room for storage. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers, delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful bright front headlights, as well as the chrome front grille. Below, this Acadia sits on 20-inch aluminum wheels. Along the side of the exterior, you'll notice plenty of premium features, such as chrome door handles, roof rails, and more. As we head to the back, you'll notice tinted rear windows. We can release the power liftgate to showcase the spacious cargo area. This cargo area can of course be extended with power controls on the right-hand side, allowing you to lower the second and third row of seating. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with captain seating, climate controls, heated seat controls, USB-C charging, and 120 volt port. This second row of seats can be reclined, or you'll find this power button allowing you ease of access into the third row. The third row seating also offers USB-C charging and cup holders. Look up and you'll notice the beautiful panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight into the entire vehicle. And that is the 2026 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive in Glacier White, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.